alphabet, every letter, every bet. From A to Z the fishes we get. A for angelfish, anchovy, archerfish. B for bluegill, blenny, barracuda. C for clownfish, cod, catfish. D for damselfish, darter. Fishes from A to Z in the sea so free. Come swim along and learn with me. E for eel, F for electric ray, F for flounder, fountain flying fish. G for guppy, grouper, carp. H for haddock, halibut, hatchet fish. I for ivy, iridescent shark. J for jackfish, John Dory, jelly nose. K for koi, killifish, kingfish. L for lionfish, lungfish, lamprey dish. Fishes from A to Z in the sea so free. Come swim along and learn with me. M for mackerel, mahi, monkfish. N for neon, tetra, nurse, shark, nibble. O for Oscar, OR fish. P for piranha, platy, pufferfish, swish. Q for queen, angelfish, krill, bat. R for rainbow fish, rockfish. S for salmon, swordfish, seahorse. T for tuna, tilapia, tigerfish. U for raru, unicorn fish. V for velvet fish, vampire, tetrawish. W for walleye, wrasse, whale, shark. X for X-ray fish in the ocean park. Y for yellowtail, yo-yo roach. Z for zebrafish, sander, frog.